I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integration. Search for and select newsletter as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Now search and select Action LionDesk. Give here the client ID and client secret. So, click on Please visit the LionDesk apps. New app. Give here name and redirect URI. Save. Copy the client ID and paste it here. For client secret, click on Reveal Secret. And copy the client secret and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorized, successfully done. Next, choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use it, checking the box. Also, here is conditional logic, you can use it for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your LionDesk site. And you can see here the data came successfully in LionDesk. Thanks for watching.